Alright, today's June 26, 2018. Today we started busting down the frame a little bit here. Worked on it about an hour and a half or so. Took the rear end out. Cut the exhaust off. Got it on some wheel dollies. Just moves around. Over here we have the rear end, banana bar, coil springs, trailing arms, panhard, shock bolts. Just gonna bust this down too. Send it off for powder coat with the frame. We had Thurman over here helping out in the other one. Moved it out here under the carport. A little more breezy outside. But I think the plan is first I'm going to build the chassis. Drivetrain, steering, powder coated, disc brakes up front, and all that. And then I'm going to start on the body work. I did order a power seat assembly complete, so that came in. So we're moving right along. Also got the core support sitting over there. Ain't that right, guys? Huh? Yeah.